Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey and today I had no intent on filming a video. I feel that I still might be in a little bit of a pickle with my bedroom makeover video, so I'm deciding to vlog today in case I cannot upload the bedroom makeover again this week. I'll explain more, but my friend is about to pick me up and we're going golfing, and I just made some scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna eat them. That looks disgusting. All right, I'm sitting on my kitchen floor currently. I am home from golfing. It's the next week. I did an entire explanation explaining why I thought that I was gonna need to upload this vlog last week, but it happened to work out where my Etsy packages got delivered and I was able to complete my bedroom makeover. So my bedroom makeover video actually went up last week, and I was filming this vlog just in case I couldn't upload that. So I was explaining all that, but it doesn't apply because it doesn't matter, and this vlog is going up the week after the bedroom makeover. I just needed to say something because that part is a little bit confusing, and also like the whole vlog is kind of confusing and all over the place. It is a chaotic but very fun one, so enjoy. I love you guys, and now cue the horrible golfing footage of me and my friends.
Guys, not good. Zoom in, zoom in. We forgot that we actually have to golf now. Like, we're here and we're like, now we have to do it.
Elise, will you run inside and get scorecards? I just want one because it shows the route on the back and I don't know where any of the holes are. I don't know what's going on. Woo! No. Wait. I'm doing a drive-by, bro.
How's the practice swing? Oh, wait. Yeah.
Wait.
That was good. Are we playing?
Oh.
Oh no.
Alright guys, second hole. There is some ladies on our asses, so we're gonna hurry. Hey! That went far.
Into the trees.
Yeah, you can just move it down straight.
Oh my god!
It's currently 3:52. We started at 2, so it's been quite a while. We have 1 hole left. No, 2 holes left, I think. We're having fun, and like we're not actually doing that horrible, which is a little surprising. Like, they're good. We're good. We're not good at all. I keep hearing things. We would be having more fun if there's like these 2 old ladies. I don't want to be rude because like I know they're just trying to golf, and like we're the annoying ones out here. Like, we don't know how to golf. I feel like we're moving pretty fast. I don't know. Like, I don't know how much fast we could go. And they just started like immediately after us. So they were like on our asses. And like, it's not their fault. Like, they just want to golf, but they should have waited for us a little bit longer. Like, we were literally like, we hit 1 drive on the first hole and then they started, which like usually you would wait for them to finish.
I'm averaging losing at least 1 ball per hole. So.
Yeah, we've lost quite a few balls. I didn't want to get wet.
Wait, should I Happy Gilmore this one?
Oh wait, this one I have confidence in. We'll see.
Show them the highlights. Show them the highlights. Yeah, wait,
There's just one. I have a video of Elise swinging and I'm missing.
Oh, I don't want to go first. And they're really colorful, so this one, should we do it where you like spin it? Yes! Oh! Wait, that was good. Go crazy on it. Did you catch it? Yeah. Do you think Tiger Woods' wife golfs? Whoa! Oh, okay, this guy's on a roll.
Oh! That went 100 yards past the hole.
You'll peep that.
That went so far. Guys, we're ripping drives and the hole is literally, I don't know if you can see. Wait, okay, right there. So I've lost, I think, I want to say 5 balls, maybe 4, but I've found 3, so we're almost up. I just have to find a couple more. Oh. Hey! It's bouncing across the road.
She's on the road. Oh my god, she's still rolling.
Yeah, it's going far.
That's like a residential road. Like there's a car on it.
Oh!
I think I tore my muscle.
Casey's team was like,
damn.
Oh!
Stay in the tree.
I was just say I heard the tree shake.
Mine's the red one.
I think my ball is in the tree currently.
Time to look for our balls in the trees.
Why is there trees in the middle of the fucking fairway?
And why is it there?
Elise's ball in the road.
Elise, we found your ball in the road.
Ball. 2 balls.
Oh my god, let's just take
Oh, I think those are all balls. No, I had a pink ball, but yeah, that's my ball. Okay guys, we left the course and we got some Culvers. Yours is the big box. Mukbang time.
Oh wow, it's so good, bro. All right, there's my update for you guys in my bedroom. So gas.
Alright guys, I'm home now. I am so exhausted. I don't know why that took so much out of me. Actually, I wasn't super tired like when we left, but then after we ate, like the whole car ride after, we were just like, I don't know why I'm so tired. So I'm gonna make a little midday coffee. It's like 5:24 right now. I just spilled water all over my counter. Delicious. I'm gonna sip on this for a little bit and then I think I'm gonna do my dishes. And then I also kind of want to vacuum in here just because there's like a bunch of stuff by the door. I don't know where that came from, but it needs to go away. I'm done cleaning. I didn't film a lot of it just because I feel like it's boring, and I feel like I always film myself cleaning. Like every single vlog, day in the life type of situation, I'm always like deep cleaning my apartment. And truthfully, I just am always cleaning. Like it's a never ending cycle having my own place. Like I didn't realize that you needed to clean this much. I don't know if my place just gets like messier than like the average, but I swear growing up, like my mom was always kind of cleaning, but I think that she is just kind of like OCD. Like she will tweak out if there's like a crumb on the counter. But I swear I have to vacuum or Swiffer at least twice a week. Otherwise there's like hair and dust on my floor. I have to wipe down my counters daily. Otherwise there's crumbs, and I am very like, I want my space to be clean. I don't want to see anything anywhere that's not supposed to be there. My coffee is almost done. My boyfriend literally picked these flowers off of the side of the road for me the other night. He was driving over here and he saw them on the side of the road and then got out of his car and picked them for me because he thought they were pretty and that I would like them. They kind of smell like I should probably throw them out because I think it's making my kitchen smell bad. They smelled really good when you first brought them over, but now I feel like they're rotting or something. Like they're just not meant to be in a vase like that, but they're super pretty and it was super cute and thoughtful. Anyways, coffee's gone. I need to take a shower, but I think before I take a shower, I might do some online shopping. I've been spending so much money recently. It's actually becoming a little bit of a problem, but I have so many like country music festivals coming up this summer, and one specifically is only in 15 days and I don't have outfits for it. Obviously I have clothes here that I can wear, like my hair just flicked the flowers and petals just fell off. I definitely have some clothes and some outfits that I'll be able to wear, but the festival that I'm talking about in particular is Tailgate in Tallboys in Bloomington, Illinois, and it's only in 15 days, and I haven't like really thought about my outfits, so I need to pick out my outfits, stuff that I have here, order some stuff, and make sure that I have outfits, otherwise I'm gonna be stressed out like last minute. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. I've added a few things to my Addicted cart and also my Princess Polly cart, and I think I'm going to purchase them. I don't know what this angle or the lighting is. The sun is blaring through my windows. Don't love that, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna buy these clothes and then I'm going to take a shower because I desperately need to get rid of this slick back. It's hurting my head. I shouldn't have slicked my hair back though. I didn't really think this through because I have a hair appointment tomorrow, and normally I would not wash my hair the night before a hair appointment because she's gonna bleach it and wash it real good, but I don't really, you know, think she can like apply bleach to like waxy gelled back hair. And also like I can't walk into the salon like this tomorrow, so I'm gonna wash it. I can't wait to get my hair done tomorrow. It looks so like yellow, like brassy and like white. There's no blonde until like there. It's been a while since I've had my hair done, but basically I showered, and then it's been a little bit because I took a break, not a break, but I just decided to hang these picture frames because I wanted to, and then when the pictures come, it will be a lot easier to just pop them in and hang them back up. It low-key took me like 45 minutes and it still isn't perfect and like straight, but I feel like it was the best I could do. Me and my friends are trying to figure out if we should do something or like what there is to do if we wanted to do something. There's not really much going on, so I told them they could come here and just hang out for a little bit. I got 5 hours of sleep. Okay guys, it's currently 8:44. My hair appointment's at 9, but my new salon is actually really close to me, so that's good. I literally stayed up so late and then I couldn't fall asleep on top of that. So I'm not feeling amazing this morning. Some of my girlfriends actually did end up coming over last night, and I think they were here until about 1, and then I stayed up probably until like 2. Sorry, this Keurig is so loud. This is not real. Nobody comment on this. I know, it's probably not good. Are you allowed to DoorDash food to a hair salon or no? I hate going to the hair salon when I'm tired because I literally just sit in the chair and like she's like touching my head and I'm like falling asleep the whole time. guys, we're processing. I think that I'm gonna be pretty blonde after this, and I'm so excited. I haven't had my hair done in so long. Oh my god, I love my hair so much. I love the cuts. I've missed my layers and like my slight curtain bangs so much. Also, the color is exactly what I wanted. It is so perfect. I feel like it's so summery and just so cute. I just pulled up to the grocery store. I'm at Aldi, and I'm not gonna do like a full grocery run, but I just want to get a few things. The weekend is tomorrow, like tomorrow's Friday, and the weekends are always weird because sometimes I'm not even like sleeping at my apartment. Like I might go to somebody's like cabin, or I might sleep at a friend's house, or I might sleep at like my parents' house. So the weekends are weird, and I don't like to really cook on the weekends, so I'm not gonna get like my full groceries, but I do need to get some food, and like right now I'm starving, so I'm gonna get something that I can like easily like put together when I get home. Got home from Aldi, and I'm gonna do a little haul, and then I have to make myself some food and edit. I have to send like an integration to my manager. First thing I got is some green grapes. I've been obsessed with making like little charcuterie plates like as a snack. I love cheese. I'm such a cheese girl, and then I've just been like cutting up a Slim Jim, which is just probably not like the best thing, but also like I love Slim Jims. And then crackers and grapes. It's so good. I got some other stuff for this snack, but I just love green grapes. And then I got these brioche rolls. I'm going to make pulled pork sandwiches. I just got one of those like pre-packaged things. I'll show you in a sec. I got my favorite chips. These are the Clancy's jalapeno kettle chips. I got more sourdough. I got some everything bagels. This is also for my little charcuterie snacks. It's just some dry salami. I got some of my favorite dip. This is the Mexicali dip. I love this with just like tortilla chips. I got some butter. I got something new. This is like a chicken lo mein frozen meal. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but I love stuff like this, and I love frozen dinners because like sometimes I'm lazy, okay? I don't want to cook. I got some Parmesan cheese, jalapeno Havarti cheese. I love Havarti. I got some honey smoked turkey breast for sandwiches. I got some Clubhouse crackers. I got some vanilla coffee creamer. I got a cucumber. I got more of my favorite food in the entire world, these dumplings. This is my favorite brand. This is at Aldi. It kind of looks like I have a bob, like when my hair is back like this. Anyways, I got my barbecue pulled pork. I think this is gonna be really tasty right now. And then finally I got myself some blueberry muffins because I absolutely love blueberry muffins. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Aldi. I'm gonna put this stuff away, make myself some pulled pork sandwiches, and then edit. All right guys, I made my pulled pork sandwiches, and I'm going to go eat on the couch and then edit. I've already said that like 18 times, but I thought I would show you my sandwiches. It's been a couple of hours. I finished editing that integration that I had to send over to my manager today, and then I actually started editing this vlog because it's already Thursday and this needs to go up on Sunday. Tomorrow I have plans at 3:30, so I'm not really gonna have like all day to work. Obviously I have the morning and stuff, and that's what I plan on doing tomorrow, but I just wanted to get as much done as possible before the weekend. Anyways, it's about 5:30 right now, and my boyfriend is about to leave his house and go pick up some food for us, and then he's gonna pick me up, and then I believe we're gonna go picnic somewhere, and I think he's bringing like his fishing rod and we're gonna fish. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'll bring you guys with just because I think it will be a fun time. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly like freshen up and get ready to go so that when he's here I can just walk right downstairs. Okay, Leo's here to pick me up. I'm ready. I just put like a sweatshirt on. I don't think I'm gonna get cold, but in case I do, I have a sweatshirt on. I'm probably gonna take it off though because I think it's warm out. He told me to bring napkins in case there isn't any in the bag, so I'm bringing some paper towels. I'm also bringing my water bottle, and I grabbed him a sun drop. I have no idea what we're about to do, but let's go. Oh. Did you enjoy your food, Leo?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was great. We're walking to a new location. Leo took us the wrong way, but it was pretty and there was flowers, so not that bad. Now we have to walk that way further, and we're gonna catch some fish. Do you wanna walk? We're gonna catch hella fish. I'm gonna catch probably like a stingray. This is the current spot. It's really pretty down here. Leo's over there. He's trying to fish. I'm on an old train track. You can see the water underneath me. Kind of scared I'm gonna drop all of my things. We've pulled up to yet another location, and we still have not caught any fish. And by we, I mean Leo hasn't caught a fish. This vlog is so like Wisconsin summer core, which is kind of sad. No, I'm having a great time. It's just missing like a lake and a boat, and then it would be fully Wisconsin core. It's so pretty though down here by the water, and I never come down here. Gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Hi guys, it's the next day and I'm currently rushing to get out of my apartment and over to my friend Eliza's house. She actually just finished school, so about like a month later almost than everybody else. So we're kind of all gonna go and surprise her, just kind of like hang out in her backyard by her pool and wait for her to come. But she just landed, so I need to get over there before we literally pull into her driveway at the exact same time. I didn't really plan on filming again today, but I think that today is gonna be a fun day, so I'm just gonna keep vlogging. Okay guys, I just got to Liza's, but I'm actually not at Liza's because we had to like park away from her house. So I'm like down the street. I'm like in some random neighborhood. I don't know where I'm at, but I think she's like halfway home right now. So got a little pep in my step. I'm walking, got my Alani. It's so beautiful out today. Imagine they're like pulling down the street to like get to her house and they just see me like walking across the road. She's like, is that Bailey? I think I just need to wear them a few times and like get live.
I'm getting like married.
Yeah.
Walter,
Calm your titty.
I'm gonna push her in the pool when she gets here.
We definitely should.
We should.
Oh, yeah, she can shower first because she probably feels dirty.
I know, I almost think it would be funny if we were like all in the window. Yeah. And she like walked in.
What's going on? Me itchy. She's gonna walk.
Well, she was.
Okay, period.
No one make a sound or I'm gonna like.
Why are you touching my leg?
Oh God, I just really should. It's the boy. Stop talking to yourself.
Hey guys, how we feeling?
That's beautiful. Let's get it.
If that means I'll be happy too.
Elise, I forgot about my vlog again.
Wisconsin, my guys.
The shit?
Last year it was not like this.
I just kind of want to vibe. Welcome to Kimberly, Wisconsin.
It's so great. I'm gonna throw up on all of those.
Being respectful and having a lot of.
Your eyes are crossed.
The end of this vlog became severely disappointing. I don't know why I just was not filming anything. Like I could have filmed rides, I could have filmed me getting a foot-long corn dog. I ran into my brother, that would have been fun to say hi. I'm so sorry. Like there was just so much happening, and honestly, this vlog is just, it's appalling. I feel like it was a lot of fun though, and I love just documenting my actual raw, real lives for you. I live multiple life for you guys, because I don't know, like I am not some like special, like I love such a normal life, and especially when I'm with my friends, like we just do like the most normal. And I'm not even just saying this to like try to be relatable to you guys. Like I literally live in the middle of Wisconsin and we go to things called Cheese Fest for fun. It was actually such a fun night though, and all my friends ended up leaving, me, Elise, and my friend Ella. They didn't actually like leave us there. They told us we were gonna leave and they were like, if you want to ride, come now. And we were all like, let's stay, let's have fun. And then literally 30 minutes later it ended, so we had to Uber back to Ella's. But I had so much fun and it just felt very summery. I just feel like this whole vlog was just a collection of fun things that me and my friends do in the summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I never filmed an outro or anything because that night, you know, it didn't end well for me, and then I just didn't even want to think about the videos that I took of myself that night. So I love you guys. Let me know if you want more vlogs like this of me just like filming me and my friends doing random stuff, and I will see you guys next Sunday. I love you. Bye bye.